My name is Mike Ellison. I was born in Ethiopia, raised and raised in Virginia, transformed in Detroit. Today is part 2 of some programming around communication, doing various exercises, doing things that get us out of our comfort zone to make us better communicators. So sharing things that I've learned with the youth. And so we use spoken word as a platform for that. Inside of one day, students having coming up with thoughts, ideas, themes, turning those into lines, turning those lines into stanzas, turning that stanza into a complete piece, and having the students have to stand up in front of their peers and in front of others and deliver their words, their convictions. You are quiet and humble, you're still waters, but you have a lot of depth and a lot to share. And you do have self-confidence. You have it because I believe and declare it, and we're all gonna instill it in you. Learning is reciprocal, so I've learned as much today as they have, hopefully. There are things that obviously, we think we want youth to walk away with. However, through exposure, they're gonna glean certain things for themselves. There's certain things that resonate with them. I think if there's one thing that I want them to walk away with, is just confidence. It's just greater belief in themselves, their ability to think, their ability to trust their own conclusions, and the confidence to raise their voices.
I know my truth and why I am here. I know that God will lead me to my dream.
I put my heart towards my dreams. I always have confidence and trust in my teams.
I will turn my dreams into reality. I have confidence.
Confidence is the fuel that gets you through your doubts.
My mouth humors others. My smile has confidence. And my soul knows the truth.
Our souls are always at war with the truth. And we'll never stop fighting.
I got the confidence. Not the one that's full of love and lust, but the one that's full of love and trust.
I will strive for a better future, to have the freedom to make my own choices.
I will strive to overcome my fear of being free.
Nevertheless, I will stay loyal to my goals so it doesn't cost me my freedom.
I will not die over my fear, but live through it and make it a goal to enhance its power.
Relax in your freedom, or be forever stained by fear.
Happiness is a feeling, a special type of feeling
that a person has, like excitement or joy.
My family and friends bring me happiness. I am the warrior they built today.
Family is a blessing from God, the ones I hold dear.
Family are not the ones determined by blood, but the ones who help me with the shadows of my mind.
Not the ones who know me by the tale told by strangers, but the ones who were there when I wrote my journey.
I'm overcoming obstacles, striving to achieve my personal goals.